Checking for sex offenders at Texas public schools does not violate a parent's constitutional rights.
A federal appeals court ruled in favor of Lake Travis ISD after a parent there claimed the district had violated her civil rights when it requested her driver's license for a background check. After a sex offender entered one of its schools and exposed himself to a child, the district installed a system called Raptor at every campus there to weed out those criminals. KXAN's Josh Hinkle headed to Bee Cave Elementary today, where the whole case started.
Good morning. May I help you?
Jenny Sones often volunteers for her son's third grade class at Bee Cave Elementary.
Okay. Do you have your ID?
Yes.
Each time she does, she goes through a background check of sorts by handing over her license to check her name and birth date. While her record is clean, it helps the school weed out any sex offenders coming onto campus.
I wouldn't want them volunteering.
But a few years before, another mother, Yvonne Meadows, said for simply wanting to see her child, this system, a software called Raptor, seemed a little extreme, even an unconstitutional invasion of privacy.
Don't be asking me to fork out this information so that I can go in and participate with my children.
Meadows spoke to KXAN on the phone in 2008 when her case was still in the trial stage. She since moved away from the district, homeschools her kids, and declined an interview with us today.
I didn't really understand their complaint.
All this means is that parents do not have unfettered access to the school. Again, we're going to do everything we can to maintain a safe environment for our students. We believe Raptor works, and we're very pleased with the court's ruling.
The district praises the Raptor system, which is now in 3,700 Texas schools and 7,000 nationwide, all receiving background info from the company's Houston headquarters. One of the big pros about this process is how quickly you can get through the system. Scan the driver's license, check the database, print everything out. And in just about 25 seconds, you have a badge. This can be especially helpful whenever you're having a busy day here in the office.
Where there's parties or programs going on, they set up two systems.
On a day like that, the district says it pays to have Raptor in place, and other districts might agree. During the last school year alone, it stopped around 2,200 sex offenders nationwide from entering the classroom. A statistic putting the minds of parents like Sones at ease, even if it means sharing a small bit of their personal information.
I feel it works because I know my son's safe.
In Bee Cave, Josh Hinkle, KXAN, Austin News.
Since Lake Travis ISD implemented the system in 2006, officials say Meadows' complaint is the only one beyond general questions about the process. A handful of other Central Texas school districts, including Austin, Georgetown, and Round Rock, all subscribe to Raptor. Meadows also has a pending state court case on this matter, and she's talked about appealing the federal case to the U.S. Supreme Court.